Hi, my name is Mark Herrera and I'm from Miami, Florida. My studio is located at FIU W10 and I'm here as a Masters of Fine Art student. Some of the things that inspire my art practice is the events happening in the world, and so often if there's conflict or if there's a natural disaster or something happening politically, the images and the video, that is something that really energizes me and motivates me to want to say something about the things that are happening, and even more so the individuals that are out there fighting for a cause. Those people inspire me, and so I try to capture them through painting and sculpture. So the artwork that I'm focusing on for Creative Vizcaya is the artwork that is at Vizcaya. The sculptures, and specifically the sculptures made out of coral limestone or oolite. While Vizcaya was influenced by Europe and the artists of the time, and they used the materials that they had, like marble. Here we don't have marble, we have limestone. So I'm interested in using the limestone in a creative way. What's exciting about my art practice is that there's so much to learn. There's so many talented artists that are constantly coming in and out of Miami or even just residing here, and the more time I can dedicate to my practice, the more time I find myself meeting these people and learning about their process. And I realize through meeting other people that there's this liberating, this fresh, creative new way of applying paint or using material and installing it. This exchange of ideas. That's been a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Vizcaya, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of this great project.